Hey, what's going on, drummers? I've got an exciting lesson planned today. We're going to be working on a 16th note hi-hat groove. We're going to break it down, build it up, and at the end, you'll get something that sounds like this. So this is sort of a Swiss Army knife of a lesson plan. We have multiple things happening here. We've got 16th notes on the hi-hats, we've got syncopated snare drum notes, and we're also opening the hi-hats with our left foot, which is going to be multiple things to focus on. So first, we've got 16th notes on our hi-hats, but we're resting the E. So you get 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and like this. But we're going to open the hi-hats on the downbeats, our quarter notes, giving you. Now you want to make sure you're playing the downbeats with the taper of the stick on the edge of the hi-hats and your 16th notes with the tip on top of the hi-hats. So you've got. Okay, so next we're going to play the basic backbeat under that, kicks on 1 and 3, snare drums on 2 and 4, just so we can get comfortable with that new hi-hat groove with hearing the kicks and snares where we're already used to playing them. Let's try it out. If you want your own copy of the sheet music, I've got the lesson plan for you down below. Just go ahead and click the link and it'll take you there. All right, so next we're not going to be playing any bass drums at all. We're playing snare drums on beats and of 2 and 4. So we're just shifting that beat 2 over 1/8 note later. So this is where the syncopation starts to happen. Let's check it out. Okay, let's speed that up a little bit faster. All right, now the thing that kind of sews this all together is we're going to add the bass drums back in. We're going to play kicks on beats 1, beats 2, and the and of 3, giving you boom, boom, ga, boom, ga. All right, so I found that this groove sits really well around 100 beats per minute. Let's check it out at 100 BPM. So this sort of sounds like something Danny Carey from Tool would play, especially with those open and closed hi-hats going on. I hope this helped and gives you something to practice. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, go download the sheet music, and I will see you later.